Hey y'all, this is a Hunter original ceiling fan in the 52-inch size. It's from the year 2000. Now this fan I picked up off the curb 2 years ago. Story is that I guess it was sitting outside, and I guess a big rainstorm hit and all the blades were warped pretty badly. The coil was shot and it wouldn't run right, so took it all apart and painted it brown. This was originally a white fan and I painted it brown, but because I've always wanted a brown 5-blade original. And turned out pretty good. Got these walnut blades on it. It looked pretty good. I had to go through everything in this fan. New coil, new windings, new capacitor, new switches, and it seems to run good. So now this arm right here, I don't know if you can tell, but it's pointing to the right. This was a set I got off of eBay. The arms I got off of eBay, and I didn't realize one of them was bent, but it runs okay. A little bit of a wobble, but not too bad. Here's the tag. So yeah, let's fire this thing up, show you how it goes. Besides the slight wobble, it runs great, blows a ton of air. Camera won't, there we go. Wouldn't focus for some reason. There we go. So there's medium. And let's take it down to low. Sorry, I was just having some camera troubles. My phone wanted to go blurry on me. This reminds me so much of a Casa de Campo setup with the plants and the dark wood and just the dark woods all around. Because that's what, these are the fans that Casa de Campo had, or maybe they still have them. I don't know if they replaced them, but most, if not all of the villas had brown 5-blade originals. Most of them were Chinese, but you'd still see a couple of American-made ones. And let's do spin down. And then the black one that was here originally, I'll show you at the end of the video. Is now in the master bedroom. I might need to add some more oil, I don't know, but it should be good for now. Alrighty, that's my 2000 Hunter original in the 52-inch size. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, I meant to show you upstairs. I almost forgot. If you can see up there, there's the black original. That was right there. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.